English pronunciation. Pococurante, from Spanish Pococurante, Spanish pronunciation. Pococurante. English pronunciation Pococurante, meaning indifferent or unconcerned. English pronunciation. Pococurante, from Spanish Pococurante, Spanish pronunciation. Pococurante. English pronunciation Pococurante, meaning indifferent or unconcerned. English pronunciation. Pococurante, from Spanish Pococurante, Spanish pronunciation. Pococurante. English pronunciation Pococurante, meaning indifferent or unconcerned. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.